And welcome to day 9. After having a relaxing session yesterday, today's practice is about taking a little more movement into the body, a little more dynamic energy. Today I feel super energized, and let's channelize that energy into the practice. Let's see how your body reacts and receives this journey. Are you ready? Let's get seated. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest, move your neck a little bit if you like, and then find stillness and settledness. Close your eyes. Inhale, fill up your belly, your chest, upper chest. Open your mouth and exhale, sigh it out. Inhale, fill up the belly, chest, upper chest, and open your mouth and sigh it out. Join your palms at heart center and let's chant Om sound. Inhale. Have a simple intention for this beautiful day that you have ahead of you. With a gentle smile, welcoming this beautiful day, relax your hands and slowly open your eyes. Beautiful. We start by creating energy and heat in our body. And we'll do that with doing Kapalbhati Pranayam. Well, in this, there's a rapid exhalation and the inhalation happens automatically. It's an aggressive, active exhalation. So it is by punching the belly in, you exhale, and the inhalation happens passively. Yes? So palms facing upwards in Jnana Mudra. Roll your shoulders back, lift up your chest slightly, and from here you can observe once. Well, that's how your exhalation will be. Let's do this 30 repetitions together in the first round. Inhale. Begin. Normal, natural breath from here. Going for second round. Inhale. Feel free to do this at your own pace and let's begin. Normal, natural breath. Right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel. Normalizing that breath. Give it some time and just notice and be with your breath. Slowly relax your hands and open your eyes. Beautiful. Let's get started by standing up today. We'll start from standing. You will take your both arms towards your left side and lift your right heel up, face towards your left, and then swing it to face it towards the right. Yes, we do this 20 times. As you inhale, take your arms up and coordinate your breath. Rapid breathing. Remember, exhale to hands down and inhale to arms up. You can take your gaze with you if you like now. And last one. And relax. Stand still. Let your body just breathe. Hands on your waist. Big hip rotation. Hip circles. Big as you can. As big as you can. Yes. And reverse the direction. Towards the right side and just squeeze your glutes as you stay here. Towards the left and stay. Squeeze your glutes. Slowly come back up. We'll just take both the hands straight in front of us and just take the right leg up, left leg up. The idea is to let your legs go closer towards your arms without trying to hunch your back. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Breathe. Take the right leg back. Again, no bending from your upper body, just your lower body does the work, okay? So left hand ahead, left leg ahead. From here, take your right leg back and then swing it to the front. If it's here, you do where you are today. Yes? 10. Exhale. 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 Keep going. 5 more. 5. Look up. 4. Don't look down. 3. Amazing. 2. And 1. Relax. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You're doing amazing. Take your left leg back. Right arm ahead. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relax and breathe. Spread your legs hip width apart to breathe. From here, with your legs hip width apart itself, you will brush your hands through the floor as you take the hips backwards. Hinge it back, brush it through the floor, and just take your upper body up. And release. So you brush your hands down, lock your hips here, and just take the upper body up from here. And come back up. Let's do this 10 times. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the pose. Release. Exhale. Hold. A way to check if you are what we're trying to do, if you are there, just look down, and if your knees are ahead, you have to push it back so that you can be able to see your toes. And release. Okay? Let's try. Exhale, take your arms up, check your toes, and release. Exhale, take your arms up, check your toes, release. Now try to do it without checking your toes. having your knees back. Let's go. 8. Hold. Release. 7. Hold. Release. 6. Hold. Release. 5. Hold. Release. 4. Hold. Release. That's amazing. Keep going. 3. Hold. Release. 2. Hold. Release. 1. Hold. Hold it there. Hold it. Let's hold it together. Look up and breathe. Almost there. You're doing amazing. And release. Whew. That was really nice. Take your both hands on the heart. Just listen to your heart rate. Give it some time. No need to rush yourself. Centralize your posture. If your hips are ahead or hips are back, just have them in one line. Beautiful. Relax the hands. From here, get your legs together. We'll just slowly lower ourselves down. It's okay if your heels lift up. So lower, lower, lower. And fall back or lie down on the mat. And take a momentum to come up. Use the support of your hand to stand up and come back up. Let's do this 10 times. Try to use minimum support of your hands. Down, roll at your own pace. Go for it. Not counting so that you can follow your own lead. Feel free to take the momentum of your body. And if you feel 5 is good enough for you for today, try to relax after 5 in lying position. Supine. Let's go. We got 5 more. Last one. Come up all the way. Whew. And slowly lower yourself down to lie down on the mat. Spread your palms facing upwards. Relax the shoulder. And just stay here.